Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Mina. This is part 3 of the Knitting for Absolute Beginners series. In this video, I will be showing you how to purl a stitch. As I mentioned in my previous video, there are only 2 ways to work a stitch. You can knit it or purl it. That's all. So learning how to purl will really open the door to all the knitting possibilities. Alright, let's get started. So when we knit a stitch, we insert the right needle from the front and underneath the front part of the stitch here. And when we insert it, the working yarn is behind this right needle. But when we purl, we come in from behind and above this front part of the stitch. So we're coming in from the top and from the back. And we have to make sure the working yarn is in front of the needle, of the right needle. So I'm just going to do one for you. So I'm inserting it from the top and from behind this front part of the stitch. Then I get my working yarn and I wrap it around from the back to the front of the needle. I use this right needle to catch that bit of yarn, and then I slide this old stitch off. So I just want to illustrate again, now that I've done one stitch, the importance of having this yarn at the front. When you knit a stitch, the yarn is at the back, like this. When you purl, you have to make sure the yarn is at the front, in front of the needle. Okay, so let's purl another one. So I'm going to insert my needle from the back and above the stitch, like that. Then I wrap my yarn around. I catch this bit of yarn and I slide the old stitch off. Okay, so insert it from behind and above, wrap this yarn around, catch this bit of yarn and slide the old stitch off. Insert from behind and above, wrap the yarn around, catch it and slide it off. Insert from above and behind, wrap the yarn around, catch it and slide it off. So I'll get you to purl to the end of the row and we can pick up from there. In the next video, I'll be showing you how you can combine knits and purls to make the stockinette stitch. If you're liking this series so far, please do hit subscribe and let me know if you have any questions and I'll answer them for you. Okay, see you next time. Bye.